how are you? Welcome again on Easy English channel. Before we start today's lesson, would you please subscribe to have more interesting and useful videos? Thank you in advance. Okay, so today, as you see on the board, we are going to study obligation in the present and in the past. Let's start then. To express obligation in the present, we use the following models. We use must plus verb bare infinitive. So here when we say verb bare infinitive, it means 0 to. We cannot say must to plus verb bare infinitive. It's incorrect, right? Another model verb expressing obligation in the present is have to or has to plus verb bare infinitive. Bear in mind that this to is part of the model verb. It's not to of the infinitive. Okay? We use have to with I, you, we, and they. Has to, we use it with he, she, and it. Right? Okay, so let's study these examples. Muslims must fast in Ramadan. It is obligatory. So as you see here, the situation is present. Okay, is present. That's why we are using obligation in the present, expressed via must. We can also use here have to fast in Ramadan because the subject is plural. We can replace it with they. They have to fast in Ramadan. Okay? Another example, he has to wear the school uniform. It is necessary. Also here the situation is present. That's why we are using this model. The model have to. Here it has to because we have this subject pronoun he. He has to wear the school uniform. Has to, of course, plus verb bare infinitive. Is it clear? Okay, so to express obligation in the present, we use must, have to, or has to plus verb bare infinitive. Okay? So let's move to obligation in the past now. Okay, so to express obligation in the past, we use this form, had to plus verb bare infinitive. Okay, had to plus verb bare infinitive. Let's study these examples. The taxi driver was responsible for the accident yesterday. Okay? He had to stop at the red light. Okay? So as you see here, the situation is past. We have the past tense and the time indicator of the past. That what we are using had to plus verb bare infinitive. So since the taxi driver didn't respect the red light, he had a terrible accident. So this is obligation in the past. Another example, I had to wear the school uniform, okay, when I was in primary school. Okay, so the situation here is also past expressed with this sentence, when I was in primary school. That's why we are using obligation in the past expressed with had to plus verb bare infinitive. Is it clear? Okay, so to summarize, obligation in the past is expressed with had to plus verb infinitive. Okay? Clear? Good. So let's practice that. So we are going to fill in the blanks together with either must or had to. Okay? First example, drivers blanks respect the traffic lights. Okay? It is obligatory. Okay? It is obligatory. Second example, in the past, women blanks stay at home. Okay? So let's study the first example. Are we going to use must or had to? Think a while. Good. So it's must. It's must. Obligation in the present because the situation here is present. Let's have a look at the second example. In the past, women blanks stay at home. Okay. So what do you think? Must or had to? Good. Of course, it's had to because the situation here refers to the past. Women in the past. That's why we are going to use had to plus verb bare infinitive. Is it clear? Good. So to summarize, obligation in the present is expressed via must, have to, has to plus verb bare infinitive. Obligation in the past is expressed with had to plus verb bare infinitive. I hope you are able now to express obligation either in the present or in the past. Meet you soon with another interesting lesson. Thank you for watching.